I'm Janet with Women's Choice Reviews, and today I will be reviewing the Amana 36-inch French door refrigerator. This refrigerator is approximately 36 inches wide by 35.5 inches deep by 70 inches tall. It's deeper than a typical kitchen counter, so it will stand out somewhat. Always check the dimensions of the refrigerator against the space where you'll place it to be sure of the fit. And always leave adequate space behind and above for air to circulate. Also, check the size of the doorways the unit will have to pass through to get into your kitchen. With total capacity of 24.7 cubic feet, this unit is about average for the 36-inch French door units we've evaluated. But the freezer is smaller and the refrigerator part is larger than average. It is one of the least expensive French door refrigerators on a cost per cubic foot basis, with its MSRP of $19.99. The Amana came to $81 per cubic foot, whereas the average was $121. This unit has a standard water and ice dispenser on the door, a full-width pantry drawer, interior door bins for gallon-sized containers, and a nicely partitioned freezer to keep things organized. It has flexible, versatile shelving and a fast cool option for when you open the door a lot. It can easily pass our turkey test, meaning you can configure the refrigerator shelves so that a large cooked or uncooked turkey can fit. It comes in white, black, or stainless steel.